Once you learn how to make cream cheese at home, you may never go back to the store-bought one ever again. This recipe seals the deal because it only requires one ingredient. You're going to need one big bowl, a strainer, and a clean kitchen towel or cheesecloth. The star ingredient is sour milk or amasi, full cream amasi or sour milk. You're going to place the strainer inside the bowl, place your cheesecloth or your clean kitchen towel onto the strainer, pat it down, and you're going to add all the contents of your full cream amasi or sour milk in there. I'm using 2 kg or 2 liters of that, and that should give us roughly about 700 to 800 grams of cream cheese. You're then going to place the bowl in the refrigerator for a minimum of 24 hours up to 48 hours. You can place it in the fridge uncovered or just fold in the cloth inward to cover the amasi. This is after about 48 hours of being in the fridge. As you can see, the liquid has separated from the cream cheese, and now our cream cheese is ready. This is how it's looking. As you can see, it's solid, it looks creamy, and the beauty is that it does not stick to the cloth at all. You're going to put it down onto a clean dish. We're going to mix it in. If you want it ultra smooth, you can blend it or use an electric beater so that it can be smooth, but I wanted this process to be as simple as it can be, so I was just mixing it with my spatula, crushing any lumps that may find. I did season with some salt. If you like yours tangy, that's absolutely fine without seasoning. I did season mine with a little bit of salt just for flavor. You can season with other things. You can put chives, parsley, any herbs that you like, some pepper, and customize it as you like. If you just add salt or you leave it as it is, then you leave room for creativity if you want baking, if you want to do that. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed the recipe and give it a try, and I'll see you on the next one.